Hi, this is the CUBOT Quest and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And by this way, we could create the new home screen folders on our home screen. To give a name or rename the folder, just tap to the folder name here and enter the apps. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag them. To remove the application from the folder, you should hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. And also you could remove all of the applications with the folder together from the home screen, just hold it and drag it to remove. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.